Welcome to this week's video where I'm going to show you how you can send people to your YouTube channel with one click and basically prompt them to subscribe to your channel immediately. So what am I generally talking about? For example, you have your YouTube. Let's go to my Moni Does Stuff page, which is not properly correct at the moment, but whatever. For example, you have a website and you promote all the things that you offer, and then you want to send people to your YouTube channel, either here with that icon or whatever you want to do. So usually you just go there, use that URL if you don't have a proper channel name yet, which I don't, which is very sad, but only 200 more subscribers to go, whatever. So you use the channel, copy it over, right? Then click on it, post it in there, and then you click on it and you will be redirected to the page like I am here, like I'm now. Wow, stop me talking right there. But there is a way that you can make it happen so that if you click on it, it will hop over to YouTube and it will immediately prompt people to subscribe to your channel. How can you do that? With a very tiny short code that you can add to your URL. That code that you want to add is basically $sub_confirmation is 1. And if you do that, so let's just copy that entire link here, right? Reload the page. If you just add the tiny exclamation point, what? Question mark is what I said, question mark. And then $sub_confirmation is 1. Then that's what people will see and they will immediately be prompted to subscribe to your channel, which is pretty nice and might bring you a few more subscribers. So awesome. Go on, do it, and get your plaque or whatever it's called. Bye. That's it for today. So if you've liked this video and it was helpful at all, give me a thumbs up or give me a few comments below. Or you can subscribe to my channel, but I'm not sure where it is. So maybe it's a red button, has a bell on it. So click the bell and follow my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.